Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this interesting SAT equation. So you have, for what value of x is the function h above undefined? So we have the function h of x is equal to 1 over x minus 5 squared plus 4 into x minus 5 plus 4. So the only time that h will be undefined is when you have to divide by 0, meaning you look for a point where the denominator is equal to 0. So we have the denominator as x minus 5 squared plus 4 into x minus 5 plus 4. So if you look at this expression, you will find that it is a perfect square, which is just the same as this first one, x minus 5 plus 2 squared. So that is what we have, which you can simplify. And if you simplify that, you're going to get this to be x minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. So if you use the quadratic identities to simplify this, you'll find it is the same as x minus 3 squared. And that is the same as x minus 3, x minus 3. So the only time when this is equal to 0 is when x is equal to 3. So it therefore means that the value of x that makes this function undefined is when x is 3. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe.